Hi guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kumanta ng Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. First is Do, Si. Second is Re. Oh, nakaka-goods. Mi. Oh, very good. Fa. 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 Sorry guys. Second try. Fa. 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 Wait lang. Pahinga muna ako. Inhale, exhale. Fast. Very good. So. 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 So, 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 so. Sorry guys, kaya lang, bigyan niyo ako ng dyan, sige na muna ako. So, 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 tayo. So, la. Ay, wait. La. Yeah. Ti. Do. Ha? Do. Do. Ti. Do. Wait sa. Ay, teka lang. Do. 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 Pumasok ka naman. Do. 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 Wait. Kailangan ko ng energy drink. Wait muna, wait. Do. Ha. Galing ko.